Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to walk through the process of changing your password in the Alibaba mobile app. Whether you want to update your security details or simply replace an old password, this guide will help you complete it quickly and safely. First, open the Alibaba app on your phone. On the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Then, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Change Password and tap on it. After this, Alibaba will send a verification code to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox, find the message from Alibaba, and copy the verification code. Now return to the Alibaba app and paste the code in the required field. Then, enter your new password carefully, making sure it is strong and secure. Finally, click on Save to confirm your changes. Your password is now successfully updated in the Alibaba app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.